everyone, Michelle here from Pink Pop Shapes. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how I created this cool little keychain with that cute little water ripple effect that we've seen all in those really cool resin charms. So let's get started. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to do is paint the inside of this keychain with acrylic paint. So I'm going to use the blue and the green. Okay, now let's let that dry. Okay, now that the acrylic paint has dried, it's time to add on the first layer of resin. Get my trusty tool, spread that out. Alright, next I'm going to add in some gold, chunky and white glitter. Just gonna spoon that onto there and mix it into the resin. Okay, now that we've got the chunky glitter mixed all around, it's time to put this under the UV light so that first layer will dry. Alright, next we're going to be making that little ripple effect on the keychain. So, I've got this mold here. Now we're not going to use the entire mold. I'm just going to use like the little middle bit for a little ripple because my keychain is really small. So just get your UV resin. I'm gonna squeeze a little dollop in the middle. Just like that. Then I'm gonna get my tool and I'm just gonna spread it out to the area that I want my ripple to be. Well, the size of the ripple. Once happy with the ripple size, just put it under the UV light to be cured. Alright, so I'm gonna add in another layer of UV resin. Get my tool and spread that UV resin out to the edges. Now I'm just going to add some white glitter on top. Because you know, I love glitter. Spread that glitter around. Alright, once I've finished with the glitter, I'm going to take my ripple mold that I'd made before. So take it out from the little mold and you'll see that there's a little ripple effect, and we're just going to place it on the side here. I'm just going to use tweezers so I get it in the right position. Just about, oh my god, about there on the edge. So you can see the little ripple effect. Okay, now that it's dried, I'm just going to take a little star with a little bit of resin at the back. And stick it right into the middle of that ripple. Well, tricky. So it's like a fallen star into the river. I'm just going to finish it off with a little bit of a layer of resin around the side of the ripple and add some more glitter to it. Okay, get my trusty tool, spread that out. Now we're not going on the ripple, we're going to spread it just around the ripple. Just adding on a little bit more white glitter to make it sparkle even more. Okay, now that we're done with that, let's put it under the UV light to cure it. And there you have it. Here's our keychain with that cool little ripple water effect. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed that video, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. See you next week. Bye!